Welcome! In front of me I have Huawei Watch Special Edition and I'm gonna show you how to check the serial number on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and then you can press the side button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it. Now scroll through the settings, find the option called About and select it. And here scroll down and find the option called SN. And under this option you have a bunch of numbers and letters, and this is the serial number. And once you're done checking it, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you check the serial number on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.